What's up everybody, welcome to a brand new video. And if I new the channel guys subscribe guys, like on the road to 1,000 subscribers guys, so you having to watch it is also an opportunity for us to gain a subscriber and you like bro. So okay guys, so before I go anywhere, before I start off the video, I just want you guys to help me with something. Like, which of my videos do you think I should make more of them, right? Like, I've done my dating advice videos, right? I've done my reaction videos, I've done my interviews. Which one do you think I should make more of them? Like, let me know in the comment section. Let me know, waste your time. Let me get straight in the video. So today I just made a video just to make it up in an appreciation, right, to TM Pick n Pay for what they've done for me. What happened guys, good day, I applied, right, for the TM shop chat, right, the so-called shop chat, which is like they do my features, right, on my content creators, right, on it. Almost I can say anyone who is talented in a special way, and I believe this podcast thing is something that I'm passionate about. So I wanted to take it to the next level, you know, like just trying to see how you can fit, right. So then luckily guys, I got featured, right, and I'm on their newsletter, right, like the latest newsletter right now. Let me show you this one, right. If you see there, that's me. Yeah, that's me there. So this one you can get it in all TM Pick n Pay stuff and TM Pick n Pay shops guys, so go ahead and check it out, like if you haven't. So let me tell you what happens actually if you want to get featured in this. Like, you send them your stuff, right, and they're like, okay, they review what you do, and if they think is something that they can actually send, that they can actually help, you know, like the team stuff, people who shop there, right, if they have a seat, right, so they go through it, they're like, wow, this is good stuff, you know, we should watch, you should actually help this guy, you know, stuff like that. So I got featured, that's what happened, and they reviewed my stuff and it was good. So after what they are done, so I'm trying to actually focus on a niche that you're gonna like, and so that's why I'm asking you guys to drop your comments and tell me what you think. I'm also going to make a video in which you can do to actually getting featured on other stuff. I have a friend of mine who recently got featured on the Hero of Zimbabwe. He didn't pay anything, he didn't do what, but he just got featured, right, out of his talent and everything. So I'm also going to make a video in which I'm going to be sharing you guys some tips and some tricks that you can actually use for you to actually get featured in some of the companies. Sometimes it's not hard as you think, but it just actually requires, what can I say, that extra effort you willing to put in. Just go ahead and just try it. They're like, you never know, we can actually get up. And also my experience as working at TM Pick n Pay, it hasn't been bad. Before I got even featured, not a lot of people working in what I do. I just kept my things private, and so after this show that I came, it was like people now know me, bro. Like, I was it brought exposure, right? A lot of people now were interested in my stuff. They're like, bro, so you actually do things, but you didn't even tell us. And I'm like, you know how it is. Like, you can't just go out and just tell people like this what you do, you know. So after that, and so I'm glad I have gained exposure, and yeah, exposure. Now people, like, you know, when people just see me work, they're like, yo, podcast and stuff. I'm like, yo, bro, what's this, stuff like that. So I'm just happy, you know, like happy to link up with you guys. Like, whenever you see me guys, to actually, you know, come and hear me, you know, agree with me guys. I'm cool with everything, bro. Like, I'm good, dude. Like, I don't think I'm that much hard, man. Like, thank you guys for watching the video. That was all for the video. If you guys are actually enjoying the progress that we're showing now, guys, like, I do really appreciate your support. Those who have been with me since day one, and now we're going to make the gains, guys. So don't ever think, okay, I'm going backward. No, I'm no longer going backward. I was almost this close to quitting YouTube. I'm going to make also that video, but after seeing some good news like this, bro, like, who want to quit, like, we want to, you know, keep on doing the things. But you know what, this is always going to be something that people are always going to look back at, and not only me, but some people there who wants to start their own content creating thing, and they're like, no man, I can't do it while it's a team. You can still do it, bro, and I'm making it one. But it's gonna take me a level, like at the point we have to quit. Yeah, that's true, but you know how it is. We managed to be where we are through this, bro, and I'm glad that you guys are supporting, and please guys, keep on supporting the fight.